Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put this valve back in this head. This has got to go back under the direction from which it came. And it's just not easy to see because I can't see the freaking hole. Okay, as you can see, I got the head back in. Down. Where's my makeshift stand? And these are the springs. And we're going to put the spring back in. And then we're going to use this tool to press the springs down so that we can get the valve keepers back in. And these things. Yeah, it's like this is moving. Make sure your tool's working properly at all times. You gotta hand tighten it down to do that. And come on, this one is different than the other one I used. Get in there. Get in there. While I'm thinking about it, this is the small end that has to go in first. That's the wide end that goes on top. And right now it's trying to go in on me wrong. It turned around the wrong way. Here, okay, get just your finger or something. Let me get you this pick. Just to hold it when I get it in. Going the wrong way. Okay, we depress the spring. Nope, it turned over again.
You gotta kind of hold it down for him so he can keep it down with his.
To do that measurement with. Okay. And this is a micrometer. Right here. And it's digital. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a micrometer and we're gonna check the various points on this valve. And this is measuring at 3.217. The top, 3216 in the center, 3215 on the bottom. Also, on the valve, you have the head plate and there's a taper here. And so we're going to measure that taper.
I googled it. Because our oil pump here
at 3.134.
That's a tensioner spring that goes
and
here.
the actual width. the head is 4.218.
Or
If you can see that.
the outer pump,
Okay.
push the
And so now, trying to think. Okay, I already put the valve keepers inside the spring here, as you see. And now my last step with that is I'm gonna put my hand here. And I'm gonna tap it a couple good times. Just to make sure that it sits down properly in its seat like it's supposed to. And then we're gonna take, and I'm gonna get this cap, put that back on. Where's the front?
Yeah, we're still trying to figure out where this one.
And we'll take this part, and I'll tuck that back down.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. I love to answer all your questions. Y'all have a blessed one. Deuces.